Together, growing in faith, changing communities.
Ngegama likayise benendodana nomoya ocebileyo. Isifundo sethu engifisa ukuba sibe kusona emkhulekweni wethu wanamhlanje ngiyafisa ukuba sifunde ivangeli lika Lucas. Luke chapter 15. We're going to start from verse 11. Luke chapter 15, we're going to start from verse 11. And so as we are inviting people to join us, we are also inviting people to bring their Bibles. We are inviting people just also to bring their journals and highlighters. Then we can start and read, and we can then reflect. We are reading from the Gospel of John, chapter 15. We're starting from verse 11. Okay. There was a man who had two sons. Bheka kwakukhona indoda enamadodana amabili. The younger of them let me get this stuck. Okay. The younger of them said to his father, "Father, give me the share of the property that is coming to me." And he divided his property between them. Not many days later, the younger son gathered all that he had, and he took a journey into a far country, and there he squandered all his property in reckless living. Kunezinto engifisa ukuzibuka. Here is this man who has two sons. Have we ever asked, did he have any daughters? Nobody tells the story and nobody asks. But it is quite possible that he had daughters as well. But the author only tells us about the son. And so there could be forgotten daughters, or there could just only be two children who happen to be two sons. But it is something that it is worth reading into. And especially if you are coming from a contextual theology, if you're coming from feminist theology, and to ask the question, were these two children or just two sons and the daughters were not mentioned? And is that possible? Yes, because there are instances in the scriptures when we read and we are told that so-and-so does not have children, and only to realize when they're talking about he does not have an heir, he does not have a son. And I'm saying this because there's something that we must also become aware as we grow and as we maneuver in life and parent around. Ukuthi khona abanye abantwana bethu who become forgotten. Kunezinto kwesinye isikhathi esizenzayo njengabazali esinganakile kanti mhlambe ziyabalimaza abantwana bethu. Kunendlela mhlambe esikhuluma ngayo kanti mhlambe iyabalimaza abantwana bethu. Uyabona kwesinye isikhathi abazali abanqeni ukuthi usibanibani ave clean, usibanibani ave ehlakaniphile, usibanibani ave emuhle. And those are all good qualities, and I'm not denying those things should be celebrated. But I think it leaves a different taste uma ngizothi we usibanibani uhlakaniphile akafani naloyana oyisidom, we usibanibani uclean akafani naloyana oyivila, we lona phela ilona omuhle, we loyana untomkayise mubi kabi loyana unekhanda likababa wakhe. Well, there are two things that I think I'm uncomfortable with there. The first one is you are comparing these two kids. The second one is you are looking down upon the other one. Whether uliqiniso noma kulona kodwa kwesinye isikhathi I think sometimes sibuye singakwazi noma indlela esibeka ngayo izinto esikhuluma ngazo kungenzeka zilimaza. Bese kuba khona futhi enye into kwesinye isikhathi that I feel ibuye ilimaze. Athi umuntu we mina sisakhula nje thina oma nobaba ogogo nomkhulu babenza kanjena babekhuluma kanjena pho lezi ingane zanamhlanje yindaba ifuna ukudodoswa. Yes, I agree ukuthi akufunakali idodoswe ingane, but equally important, I don't think itrauma nento wrong eyenzeka ngalesa sikhathi fanele siqhubeke nathi siperpetuate, because it means we haven't healed from it, and therefore siyaqhubeka nje nokuyenza, even though it has been brought into our attention ukuthi ma, baba, malume, gogo, mkhulu, auntie, mhlawumbe indlela esibeka ngayo iyangilimaza mina noma iyamlimaza usibanibani. Then there's something very important here engiyibukayo. Unamadodana amabili, encane yala madodana, eyodwa yawo iya kubaba wayo ithi, give me a share of my property. Now, if this doesn't shock you, I don't know if you have not noticed it. He's asking his father, make sure ukuthi you sell everything or you separate everything, you give me what is mine. But under normal circumstances, particularly in this culture, you don't share your property while you are still alive. They don't take it while you're still alive. They will wait till you are gone. Then they may take it because you have given it to them. It is not something that is their right. It is a gift. It is not something that they have earned. It is out of your love. And there are a lot of things that one can look into there. Kwesinye isikhathi abantwana indlela esibakhulisa ngayo bangayitshela ukuthi ba-entitled ey'ntweni. Kwesinye isikhathi abantwana they make ama-demands ey'ntweni. Kwesinye isikhathi abantwana yonke into abayifunayo bafuna ukuyithola. And kwesinye isikhathi siyakhohlwa ukuthi akusiyo yonke into efuna umntwana akufanele ayithole. Akusiyo yonke into efuna umntwana mina njengomzali engayi-afford. Kwesinye isikhathi uthola ukuthi yebo ngiyakwazi ukuyi-afforda kodwa ngeke ngimnikeze ngoba mhlambe asikakafiki isigaba sokuba ngim-expose to this kind of lifestyle, or asikakafiki isigaba sokuba ngim-entruste ngale responsibility, because it might destroy this person. So many times I have seen good people, even at work, good people, and uthola ukuthi lo muntu is very good, lo muntu is very capable, lo muntu is talented. But the only thing against this person usamncane. Uma simnikeza manje so much at this stage, over time it will break him or her. Kanti uma si-introduce lento kancane kancane kuyena, he or she will grow into the role. He or she will grow into becoming lokhu uNkulunkulu afuna ukumnikeza kona. And so there's this syndrome, too soon, too quickly, too much for a person. Too soon, too quickly, too much for a person. And you realize ukuthi sisheshe samthwalisa izinto abangekabi ready ukuba ayithwale. Khona kodwa futhi nokunye engikubona kuyingozana. What baby wants, baby get. Leyo nto ithandwa zami inobungozi kancane. Ekutheni angikwazi ukunikeza ingane yonke into eyifunayo. I was taught this by someone who is a psychologist, and he says it takes about 2,000 days, if I'm not mistaken, for a child to learn. The first 2,000 days apparently are the most important days in the formulation and the formation of a baby. Izinto eziningi azifundayo. And so kunezinto ezibalulekile ekumele umntwana azifunde. And kwesinye isikhathi as abazali, I always believe uNkulunkulu ungithembile ngempilo yabantwana bami. As abazali, uNkulunkulu uyangithemba ukuthi labantwana bazoba yilento yena afuna babe yona. Now ngibuka lo mntwana othi baba nginike ifa lami. In essence, lo mntwana uthi kanti awufi ngani ngithathe izinto zami. Now let's take this further. Lo mntwana collects everything ayinikezwe ubaba wakhe. Maqedane waphuma wahamba waya ezweni elikude. La afike khona wadla konke abekade ekunikwe ekhaya. And there are few things there that one can learn. Kuko konke anakho ukudle not nabantu abamsizile to build le wealth anayo. Kuko konke anakho akacabangelanga ikusasa. Sithi isisu esihle esibonwa yilanga. Khona esinye isigaba empilweni esifikayo la umuntu ebusiswe ngezinto eziningi enakho konke akuswelayo nadingayo. Kodwa iphutha eliba khona akhohlwe ukuthi ikusasa alaziwa. Akhohlwe ukuthi isimo siyashintsha. Akhohlwe ukuthi kungenzeka alambe kusasa. Akhohlwe ukuthi kusangaphela kusangaguquka. Yabona kwesinye isikhathi khona omunye umuntu ombukayo njengamanje exakekile. Kodwa uma uthi uyamdabukela uthi ufuna ukuba usondele eduze kwakhe, abaseduze kwakhe abamaziyo baxoxela ukuthi uyambona uSibanibani njoba enje. Hayibo, akazalwanga enjeyana loyana. Uke waba right empilweni. Loya muntu uke waba nokuthi. Loya muntu uke waba expose ey'ntweni enje. Bese uyabuza ukuthi konakalaphi kwenzakalani. Then you soon realize loya muntu wayiphilela imanje. Loya muntu akakaze alicabangele ikusasa. Thandwa zami, khona le reality that I think we need to keep in our minds. Sithi isintu noma isiZulu okungapheli kuyahlola. And I always want us to sit with that reality, to realize that this can change. This can end. And so if you go through the scriptures and you reflect in the life of Joseph, and he goes to Pharaoh and he says to him, uzoba neminyaka eyisikhombisa yenala. 7 years of plentiful, 7 years of abundance, 7 years of blessings, 7 years of everything that you need. Kodwa ke emva kwale minyaka eyisikhombisa yenala kuza iminyaka eyisikhombisa yendlala. The yin and the yang. You've got 7 years of blessings, then you have 7 years of famine. And then uJosepha kunento ayisho kuFaro. Athi uFaro, ngiyabonga uNkulunkulu sengikhombisile. Sengiyazi ukuthi nginalo 7 years wesibusiso no 7 years wendlala. Pho sizokwenze njani? And I think we need a Joseph mentality. Ukuthi uma izinto zisakuhambela kahle, uma izinto zisayisibusiso, mubonga uNkulunkulu. Kodwa mubonga uNkulunkulu ngokukhumbula ukuthi nalokhu kuzophela. Mubonga uNkulunkulu ngokukhumbula ukuthi njengoba enginikeze lokhu, unginikeza isikhathi sokuba angiqoqele enqolobaneni. Yabona thandwa zami, ayikho into ebuhlungu than ukubona umuntu who was once blessed, who is now bitter, ngoba nakhu abantu abasamsizi akasenalutho. Uma bembuza abantu ukuthi but Sibanibani wena ngesikhathi izinto isakuhambela kahle kanti ubekanga nenqolobaneni. Sibanibani wena ngesikhathi ukuthi nokuthi kusakuhle kanti wawenze njani? Worst of all, if uSibanibani wayengafune lutho emhlanganisa nabanye abantu. Worst of all, if usibanibani wayeyibona engcono ngaphezu kwabanye abantu. Yangithinta lento yalomfana. We are reflecting on Luke chapter 15 from verse 11. The young boy takes everything and he walks away from home. He walks away from the support structure. He walks away from into emuphe lokhu aikona. And the further he walks away from home, the freer he thinks he is, but the more vulnerable he becomes. Yabona kwesinye isikhathi ezisisuka from the center, ezisisuka from the source, ezisisuka from the blessing, singazibona singcono, singazibona si right, singazibona si free. Kodwa sofika isikhathi la so realize khona how weak we are. Sizofika isikhathi la si realize khona siyadinga to come back to the center. Siyadinga ukubuyela ekhaya. Now there's something that also touches me. When he had spent everything, a severe famine arose in the country and he began to be in need. So he went and he hired himself out to one of the citizens of the country, who sent him into the fields to feed the pigs. And he was longing to be fed with the ponds that the pigs ate, and no one gave him anything. Thandwa zami, this was a prince. Kwakumntwana odla izambane likapondwe. Kwakumntwana babenayo yonke into ekhaya. Kwakumntwana ababesutha kubo. Kodwa wathatha konke okwasekhaya. Akakudlanga nabantu basekhaya. Akasebenzelanga ekhaya. Akacabanganga ukuthi kuzophela. Kodwa wakuthatha konke wayokudla eintabeni. Wakuthatha konke wayokwenzela izinto nabantu angabazi eintabeni. Kuthe sekuphelile. Libhlungu lelo gama. Kuthe sekuphelile wabuya waba umuntu. Yabona khona abantu empilweni uma besanakho konke akuve bephakeme. Uma yonke into yabo isahamba kahle abamazi omunye umuntu. Kodwa ke umhlaba uyahlaba. Umhlaba uyashayana. Kwesinye isikhathi kunezinto esithi ngokuzenza kwethu kugcine sekusilimaza. Kwesinye isikhathi kuneyinqumo egcina seyilimaza. Uthe selahlekelwe ikona konke. Kuthe sekuphele kona konke. Wahamba wayosebenza. Now mhlawumbe lo mfana kwabo wayisebenza uma kuthande yena. Mhlawumbe lo mfana kwabo wayingenzi lutho. Kodwa namhlanje kumele ayosebenzela ipleti lokudla. Kodwa namhlanje kumele ayofuna into ezomsuthisa. Kodwa namhlanje usehlala nezingulube. Yabona ithandwa zami khona omunye umuntu othi mumfica empilweni ukhuluma naye, uhlangana naye, nazana naye, uma usubuya uya naye kubo ubeze bekubuza abantu abadala ukuthi umcoshephi wesibanibani waxoshwa yini ekhaya. Khona izinto mhlambe esingakhulumi esinganaki. Ayikho into ebaluleke njengekhaya. ayikho into ebaluleke njengekhaya, whether ekhaya ba right noma bekho, whether ekhaya kuhle according to my standard or your standard noma kukuhle, whether ekhaya baxakekile noma baxakekile. Intandane enhle umakhotho unina, umuntu omuhle osebenzele ekhaya. Thandwa zami, kunezinto kwesinye isikhathi ekumele sigweme sibalekele. Uma kuthiwa ngiyaphuma ekhaya ngiyohlala kamngani, noma kuthiwa hlobo lunike lomngani, abakhathali yini kamngani imina? Noma kuthiwa ke mhlambe ke sinobudlelwane, abakhathali yini imina? Ngiyangihlaleni kwesinye isikhathi ngicabanga ukuthi kodwa phela azizalani nalo. Owakwethu ikubo, ikithi, ikini. Owakwethu lo, ngingahlala nowakwethu ngisasekhaya. Kodwa lo muntu angizalani naye. Kodwa lo muntu angihlobene naye. Kahle kahle lo muntu sihlangane naye emgaqweni. Lo muntu sihlangane naye ekuhambeni, akuyena owakwethu. Yebo mhlambe unezingane zami, mhlambe ngimzalele, kodwa ekugcineni akusiye owakwethu. Thandwa zami, khona into nelanga esingeke salibalekela, khona into nelanga esingeke saliguqula. Ngiyokwenza njani ngelinye ilanga uma kufika ukufa? Ngiyokwenza njani ngelinye ilanga uma ngibizelwa eintabeni? Ngiyokwenza njani ngelinye ilanga uma ngibizelwa emzini wabantu? Angiboni ukuthi mhlambe nalabantu engihlala nabo ngokufa kwami ngiyobafaka ehlazweni, ngokufa kwami ngiyobathwalisa imithwalo. Yini lena engaka engiphoqa ukuba ngingabuyeli ekhaya? Yini ke lena engaka engiphoqa ukuba ngingaphumi indlu yami, umuzi wami, ixhokovana lami, mina nabantu bami? Ongenani kuthiwa ke uSibanibani uhlelile ezintabeni kodwa akahleli emzini wabantu. Yangithinta lento. Lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu ngokulamba kwakhe wagcina esefuna ukudla lokhu okwakudliwa zingulube. Awubonini ukuthi obhala kahle ufuna ukuthi uma esedla okudliwa zingulube naye uqobo lwakhe ube sefana nengulube. Uthi phela uAugustine ocwebileyo, we become what we eat. Siyakwazi lokhu bahlaze besitshela ama-dietitians ukuthi ukudla okudlayo determines i-lifestyle oyiphilayo, determines impilo oyiyona and the quality of your life. Uma lo muntu esefuna, esehalela, esephoqeleka, eselamba to a point la esedla khona noma esefuna ukudla okudliwa zingulube, sefuna ukusitshela ukuthi lo muntu had lost ukuthi ungubani, ezindodana ethandwayo ekhaya, ezindodana esuthayo ekhaya, kodwa manje usezodla kanye nezingulube. Thandwa zami, asike sithi ukuyibuka kancane sijule lento. Kungani lo mfana esefuna ukudla okudliwa zingulube? Ngenxa yegama elilodwa, weselambile. He was hungry. Thandwa zami, ngiyalisaba lelo gama. Ngiyakusaba kodwa futhi nokulamba. Yabona khona abantu who are honest with you, who will tell you straight to your face, abafuni ukulamba. and they don't want to be hungry. They want to eat. When they're hungry, they want to have something to eat. Sikho isidingo sabo sokuthi bahlale isikhathi eside bengadlanga belambile. But khona lento ejulile ngaleli gama ngesizulu. Usibani ingane behavior kanje. Ebesethi omunye ayulambile. Khona ukulamba kwesisu. Athi hayi usibani ulambile, and that's okay. Asimphakele ukudla. Kodwa khona ukuganga uma eselambile esenobulwane. Thi usibani ay indlela asenza ngayo unomona. Usibani indlela asebehavior ngayo usenobulwane. Ubezwe abantu bethi miyekeni vele uyalamba usibani ingakho nje ebehavior kanje. Lokho kulamba sekuyinhlamba. Uma sekuthiwa nje we vele ave lamba lowo, ungangitshela nje ukuthi untshontsheleni, ave lamba lowo. Sekuyinhlamba, akusekona ukulamba osekunormal, okukulamba kwabo bonke abantu. Bese kuba khona futhi omunye umuntu olambela ipower. Khona abantu esinabo emsebenzini, emphakathini, emndenini nasemabandleni abalambile, balambele ipower. Uthola ukuthi angadestroya noma ubani. Khona abantu ithandwa zami abangamaphixiphici abafuna ukuthandwa ngegama nangegazi lomunye umuntu. Khona abanye abantu abanenkinga yokuthi kungani wena bakuthande, kungani wena uhlezi uphumelela, kungani wena bakhulume kahle ngawe. Khona abanye abantu abanesifo ukulamba kwabo umona, ukulamba kwabo akusekho normal. Sesebefuna nezinto that are beyond them. Sebefuna nezinto engesona isabelo sabo. Sebefuna nezinto uNkulunkulu abethe kubona akudingi wena lokhu. uNkulunkulu abethi kubona lokhu mhlambe kuzokulimaza uma sekufika kuwena. Kodwa labo bantu because balambile abasuthi. Khona lento ngesiZulu ekuthiwa we osibani abasuthi phela labo imgodi engagcwali. Ubezwe abanye kuthiwa hawu labo noma bangadla kangakanani bangancamela ukuthi ukudla kubole kunoma kudliwe omunye umuntu. Abanye baze bathi we osibani bangancamela ukuthi babuyise ade bekudlile baphinde bathi uzubona ukuthi unommono njani. Angenza umzekeliso. Khona omunye umuntu eningahlala naye phansi, nidle niphuze kube mnandi, kodwa ngoba akasuthi kumgulise lokhu akuphuzile. Sesiyambona laphana useyagula, useyayibhonqa, useyabuyisa, usenza konke, ahlalele. Hayi sitshela ukuthi hayi usibani usanele ngeke asaqhubeka. Akupheli imzuzu emingaki sebuyela kubona futhi. Khona omunye umuntu ongaphuza ekseni, aphumule, alale ngoba sephoqwa ibona, avukele kubona. Akuyona impilo leyo. Whether isekudleni, whether isophuzweni, whether ekumandla nawi authority, khona isigaba esibalekile ngokulamba, inkonzo yokusutha. Imina engimele ngizitshele ukuthi sengisuthile. Imina engimele ngizitshele ukuthi ngiyabonga sengisuthi, ngiyabonga senganele, ngiyabonga this is okay. Unless I'm able ukuyifundisa mina ukuthi manje sengisuthi, unless I'm able ukuyifundisa mina ukuthi I've had enough. Bayebathi abahlakaniphile nabakhulile kunathi, leave the table half hungry, half full. shiya itafula kusanesikhala sokulangazelela mo, kodwa futhi sekunesikhala ezivalekile, so that you will appreciate what you've had and you will appreciate what you will have in the future. Khona inkonzo yokufunda, yokusutha, yokwamukela nokuthi inkosi ngiyabonga manje sengiright. Khona enye into engithintayo. Lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu akekho owamnika lemdumbo ayifuna ukuyidla. Akekho owamnika lemdumbo ayisethi yena at least mangidla lokhu ngizoba right. Kodwa akekho. Ayikho into ebuhlungu kungabi khona umuntu ozokuphula osizini lakho. Ayikho into ebuhlungu ingabi khona into ezosusa ubuhlungu empilweni yakho. I once met someone who was going through a lot empilweni yakhe and was in terrible pain. And one of the biggest question ayengicela yona in this pain wayethi yazi manje sengikhathele sengathi uNkulunkulu usengangithatha ngoba ubuhlungu engibuzwayo baba enhlizweni yami nasemzimbeni wami seku too much. Ngithi mina but ufisani baba? Athi baba wami ngwaphuza wonke amaphilisi, nothing happens. Athi I know only one thing ezongiphumuza. Athi yini? Athi ukuthi uNkulunkulu athathe umphefumulo wami. Athi nje uNkulunkulu mase na uthatha umphefumulo wami, athi ukufa kumina baba kuyisibusiso ngoba kuzophumuza lobuhlungu engibuzwayo. Ayikho into ebuhlungu empilweni than to realize ukuthi nothing can take away this pain. Ayikho into ebuhlungu empilweni than realize ukuthi nothing can alter this situation. But ngiyawuthanda ithandwa zami verse 17. But when he came to his senses, when he came to himself, kuthe sekusile kuyona, yathi, how many of my father's hired servants have more than enough bread, but here am I dying of hunger. I love this word. He came to his senses. He came to himself. Yabona ithandwa zami ayikho into ebuhlungu empilweni than ukuyikhohlisa. Ayikho into ebuhlungu empilweni than ukuyiphilisa amanga. Kodwa because he challenged himself, because wayibuza iqiniso, he came to himself and he said, but angiyithandi lento engiyiphilayo, but akuyona indlela uma nobaba ngifundise yona le, but akulona ikhaya lami leli. Yabona kuningi ongashiwa abantu ngathi kuthina, but until the penny drops, I will not change. Until kuze kuvume kumina ukwamkela iqiniso, kunzima ukukhula. And so khona ezinye izinto empilweni njengomuntu engimele ngifunde ukuzimela. Yabona ithandwa zami, ngiyakholelwa mina ekutheni kubalekile ukuthi ngibe honest with myself. Ngibe honest to uThembelani. Yes, kwesinye isikhathi singabakhohlisa abantu. Kwesinye isikhathi singazenza izinto. Kodwa I think the worst thing is when I start lying to myself. I think the worst thing is when I start pretending to myself. The worst thing is when I ignore all the signs. Ziphambi kwami and uthola ukuthi no, I'm not ready. Uthola ukuthi no, angifuni. I think that's the worst thing. But ngiyayithanda le. He came to his senses. He came to this greater realization. Angisayithandi le mpilo engiphilayo. Angisayithandi le lifestyle. Angisayithandi le company engihlala nayo. Angisayifuni lento le. If you ever come to that stage empilweni yakho, uthi Nkosi sengikhathele. Uthi Nkosi angisayifuni lento. Uthi Nkosi susa lelitshe. Khona sokwazi ukungena. Athi umpostoli Pawuli athi Nkosi susa leliva elisenyameni. Umuntu nomuntu unento yakhe emkhathazayo. Umuntu nomuntu kunento yakhe angasayifuni. Umuntu nomuntu unempi yakhe ayilwayo silently. Kodwa what touches me the most, he came to himself. Akuve kubhlungu ukubalekela uqobo lwakho. Akuve kubhlungu ukuphila impilo yokujabulisa abanye abantu, but you. Akuve kubhlungu ukuphila impilo o expectwa abantu abaningi ukuthi ube yinto ongeyona. Akuve kubhlungu ukuphila impilo yamanga. Akuve kubhlungu ukuphila impilo othi ngelinye ilanga uma abantu abami bangalazi iqiniso ngasibothini. Akuve kubhlungu ukuphila impilo engasakujabulisi. But he does something absolutely powerful. He came to his senses. He came to himself. Wabuyela ekhaya. Thandwa zami, ayikho into ebhlungu than ukuphila impilo ye-pride. Umuzi umuntu athi mina no. Angisoze ngabancenga osibanibani. Angisoze ngamncenga omunye umuntu. Angisoze mina ngakhothama vela bangiphakele. Khona enye inkonzo esiphoqayo ukuthi as long as I'm a child mina kufanele ngihloniphe. Yabona ekhaya angikwazi ukuqonga. Angikwazi ukuphakama ngoba ekhaya ngiyingane. Mase bekhulumile ekhaya noma ngathiwani fanele ngilalele. Uyingozi umuntu ongakhuzeki. Uyingozi umuntu ongakhuzwa. Uyingozi umuntu ongaboniseki. Ngoba noma kuthiwa sifuna ukumsiza kangakanani akakhuzeki nje usibanibani. Noma ngathiwa sifuna ukuhamba naye kangakanani akatsheleki nje usibanibani. And you soon realize ukuthi kahle kahle usibanibani usebulawa yithina ngoba sibalekela ukumtshela amaqiniso. Uselinyazwa yithina ngoba sibalekela ukumfundisa iqiniso. Yabona kwesinye isikhathi into eyingozi edlulelayo it's when mina njengomzali wakhe ngihluleka ukukhuluma iqiniso. Yabona ithandwa zami, siyabathanda abantwana bethu. Kodwa kumele sikwazi ukumela iqiniso. Kumele sikwazi ukubafundisa iqiniso. Ngihlezi ngithi mina uma kuthiwa uNkulunkulu uyasithatha, ubani oyokhulisa abantwana bami? Bohlala nobani? Now khona lento ebhlungu. Uma bengixaka mina njengomzali wabo, uma bengisinda mina njengobaba wabo, njengoma wabo, mangicabanga ukhona ngempela yokahlale nabo. Yazi khona ezinye izingane ezamaqanda. Khona izingane ezingathinti. Umuzi umzali ethi ayeye ingayithinti ingane yami, imina nje ukudiscipline ingane yami, hayi ingayithinti ingane yami, imina engenza ukuthi kulungile ke sithandwa sami. Kodwa umisixaka ungabuyi usitshele. Yabona khona ezinye izinto nezimo ezithandwa zami ezenzakalayo. Thole kuthiwa ingane isithatha ummese yabhokoda unina noma uyise. Noma ingane ibishaya ugogo. Aqali kanjalo. Unless mawukuthi leyo ngane is possessed by the spirit. Imoya emibi. Kodwa aqali nje kanjalo. Normally uqala ngengane ukuthi kuhlinele. Uqala ngengane uthi uyayikhuza ingakhuzeki. Uqala ngengane ukuthi ngicaphele. Uqala ngengane ukuthi kuthuke. Uqala ngengane ukuthi kubuphulela umlomo. And then kulokhu progress. And one day ingane ekwazi ukuhlinela, ekwazi ukubuphulela umlomo, ekwazi ukuthuka, ngelinye ilanga yokushaya, ngelinye ilanga yokubulala, ngelinye ilanga siyokungcwaba. But akuvesane kuzenzakalele. Khona lento kwesinye isikhathi ekumele sibuyele kuyona njengabazali. Asikhuliseni abantwana bethu ngendlela yeqiniso nangendlela kaNkulunkulu. Khona kuthi masicimeza bangasimangaleli phambi kaNkulunkulu. Khona kuthi masicimeza ngelinye ilanga abayosala nabo bathi mfowethu wayikhulisa kahle ingane zakho. Dadewethu wayikhulisa kahle ingane zakho. Ziyabuya manje izingane ziyobaleka, zibalekela kubani? Ziyabuya manje izingane ziyoba uhlupho, ziyohlupha abani? Ziyabuya manje izingane seyifuna ukufundiswa, zizofundiswa ubani? Ngoba unina, ngoba uyise wayengafune lutho ngazo. Angithinta mina uverse 18. Uverse 18 uthi, I will arise and go up to my father, and I will say to him, Father, I have sinned against heaven and against you. Ngiyakusuka ngiye kubaba ngithi, Baba, ngonile kulo izulu naphambi kwakho. Ayikho sithando zami inkonzo edlula inkonzo yokuzehlisa. Nkosi, ngiphe inkonzo yokuzehlisa. That's the word for today. Nkosi, ngiphe inkonzo yokuzehlisa. Yabona ithandwa zami, there are a lot of battles esingawagwema, a lot of arguments esingawagwema uma ngithi Nkosi, ngiphe inkonzo yokuzehlisa. Nkosi, ngiphe inkonzo yokuzehlisa. Ngiphe inkonzo yokuxolisa. Wayethu ukukhulu iba isilima noma ungesona. Zehlise, xolisa noma ungonanga. Nkosi, ngiphe inkonzo yokuzehlisa. Ngoba kwesinye isikhathi ziningi izinkulumo esingena kuzona njengabazali, njengemndeni, njengabantu. Siyayidinga inkonzo yokwehlela ngezansi. Nkosi, ngiphe inkonzo yokuzehlisa. Ngiphe inkonzo yokuba umuntu. Yabona ithandwa zami, umuntu nomuntu, isidalwa esiwumuntu siyawenza amaphutha. Yabona, once I realize ukuthi ngisidalwa esiwumuntu, I will realize ukuthi I'm capable yokwenza amaphutha. Nkosi, ngiphe inkonzo yokuzehlisa. uNkulunkulu anenzele umusa ithandwa zami, anikeze amandla akhe ngegama likayise benendodana nomoya ocwebileyo. Amen. Siyabonga. Mbusiso.